So guys, now we're back again, part 3. Wow, oh my god. So unproductive I'm focusing on the little details and I haven't even got one wolf done yet. Sorry guys. Oh jeez. It's gonna be bad for me. Oh man, when I talk, I lose track of time. I'm sorry. I get that from my dad's side. Ah, the freaking pod. It's like looking broken and derpy. It's like, oh, I'm a derping. Don't make me derp out, man, please. Don't make me derp out. Oh, you're making me derp out again, aren't you? I ain't trying to make it look like derp. Oh, goddamn. Sorry for my language, guys. It's just, when I try to make a paw, like, curled up, like, looking like he's ready for an attack, like, you know, he's on a defense, I just, can't. If you can see all the shadows there, you probably can. If I zoom in a bit, you can probably see all those shadows. Yeah, so that's pretty much it right there. Derping in the shadows and, so I'm gonna go by my own free will and wing it. Looks a little too broken though, I find. I'm gonna bring back up the model. Okay, so I find out you gotta bring it in more. Okay, I see what happens. It's just like martial arts. Like martial arts move I'm thinking of right now. I don't want to say it because it's kind of dirty, the martial arts move. So this will come out here. The paw would come out, then come down. Okay, I may have to make this wolf a bit more bigger. Then we start working on that. Like so, and then we come in here, come in and come out. But I find it looks a bit derpy. I find I gotta curl it in more. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna curl this in more. I'm gonna see what happens, the results. And now it's too small. I'm sorry guys, but this is just screwing up on me. God darn it. I'm so close to one. Am I ever gonna get this correct? Do a little bit of that. Yeah, that wolf is definitely derping out. It's definitely just, you know, looking all odd like. Sorry guys, I don't hate wolves, it just... We all have these moments in life where we can't get one thing that looks so simple, but yet it's so hard to do. Is my head in the picture? Oh, good. Help, we're about to hit my 5-minute mark. Sorry guys.